Hello fam, and welcome back to my channel. Today this video is showing you guys how I created my lazy day makeup look. I usually do my eyebrows on camera, but this time I decided to do it pre-recording just to save some time. So without further ado, we're introducing the Morphe palette today, and this Morphe palette happens to be the Bronzed Babe palette. The first color that we're using in this palette is Volcano. With this color, we're basically going to start our eyeshadow build, kind of like a smoky eye type thing, and we're just focusing on the corner of our eyes and like the middle of our eyelids. Now we're using our trusty Take Me Back to Brazil palette because we want to go for that black. We want something super strong and heavy to have a more dramatic feel to our eyes. Okay, so here I ended up switching brushes because I want to use a blending brush to try to smooth out that transition between the previous brown and the black that we have going on right now. And we do this because, like I said, we just want to have a smooth transition between colors, and with the brush that I was using before, the packing brush, we can't really do that. The packing brush is really just used to like lay on a lot of pigment, and the blending brush is used to obviously blend. Okay, so from here we're going back to our Morphe palette, and this time we're looking for a more skin tone color, and for me it's the Hang 10. And this time when I'm using the color, I want to focus most of that pigment to the inner corners of my eyelid. That way I create an even smoother gradient between colors. You know, you never want to have that super hard line of like black pigment. You kind of want to flow into it, like, you know, I'm a painter, so I'm all about trying my best to blend between colors. Again, this is a lazy day makeup look, so our look is very simple. So now that we've packed on all of our color, I just go in with my Nano black eyeliner by Absolute New York, and I go ahead and start my wings. This is my handy dandy e.l.f. eyeliner. This is the standard liquid black, and I'm just using this to do the extensions for my wings. Today I'm trying out a new mascara that I had lying around in my car. This is the Mega Wear by Wet n Wild, and to be honest, I think I got this from the Dollar Tree. You know, I'm balling on a budget here. But anyway, I'm prepping my eyelashes, and I don't remember what eyelashes these are because I don't have the box. I still have not gone to get new eyelashes, so I'm just using whatever I have lying around. But I will have some new eyelashes very shortly. As you guys can see, I am having like the worst time trying to put these eyelashes on. I have no idea what's going on, but like you can see up right there. I don't even have the eyelash all the way on. It's like hanging on by a freaking thread. So I'm just go ahead and try to fix these and try to revamp these as best as I can. Like I said, these are just eyelashes I had lying around, and I gotta work with what I got for right now. Unless you are really comfortable putting on your eyelashes, I do not suggest that you do this. because you could potentially glue your eyes shut, which has happened to me many a time in my high school days. So basically what I did is put it on like the end of one of my brushes and tried as best as I could to get to the edge of that eyelash and just go ahead and stick it back down. Yes, this is a lazy day makeup, but no, I cannot go out looking busted. So of course, we still have to do our concealer to cover up our blemishes and then go ahead with our powder foundation to give us that nice finished look. For my under lash line, we are using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide Pencil Eyeliner. It's amazing. It's super smooth, really dark. I love it. It is a pain to wash off though, I will add that. To finish this look off, we're just going to go ahead and add some lip gloss. This is the Shimmer Gloss from Decay Scarlet. It's really nice skin tone, really nice shine and everything. And with that, our look is complete. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments, and go ahead and give this video a like if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys!